Alright, we're cleaning a small house. We have a living room here with a traffic pattern in it. And nothing too bad. We didn't find any organic stains. So everything's basically going to hopefully just come right out with a good scrub.
This is one of the nicest carpets we've got to do in several months.
Yeah, this isn't like a typical rental
I
property.
wish all customers had they called for their carpets like this until they were all black. This is like the perfect thing.
And there's some light staining, but nothing hopefully too bad. Maybe some coffee, but it didn't react to a peroxide, so I'm going to walk through here real quick to show you. We're not going to video that room because it's too dark. I'll probably just video the living room a little bit and the bedroom a little bit. There's nothing in here to worry about. And then there's a nice large bedroom back here. And it's, carpets are in great shape, floors are in great shape. This is one of those that's kind of fun to clean. This house is on the market, so they're just wanting to get the carpet touched up to make everything look nice. That furniture stain come out at all?
No, I don't think it's going to.
Yeah, it'll be alright.
If the carpet looking cleaner and whiter, it'll show up a little better. That's alright. Actually, that could quite easily be patched with a piece of carpet from the closet. And it'd be permanently fixed in if it got patched.
Alright, orbital cleaning. Okay, so this machine, it doesn't just spin around, it's an orbital machine, so it's a random orbit. So it's able to scrub the carpets from all different directions at the same time.
It hits the carpets at 30 orbits per second.
Yeah. It's like 1725 or 1825
1825
orbits per minute. Yeah.
It's real fast. Real aggressive.
Show you here. There's a nice little neighborhood back here. There's our carpet cleaning van. That little blue thing.
A smart car.
Yeah.
Which happens to work for a low-moisture business.
Yep.
Quite decently. These carpets will be dry in maybe 15-20 minutes. They're thick, so they'll dry quicker.
We're using a neutral pH pre-spray. And it's pet friendly. So it's not gonna be anything. If a baby crawls on the carpet in an hour or two, it'll be fine. I've seen people drink it. It's not a good idea, but I've seen people drink it before just to prove that it's safe. But and then we do use an ammonia-based spray as a spotter sometimes, so it's got a little bit of an ammonia smell to it, but that dissipates. And we use some industrial strength peroxide. So we use that on organic stains, but generally the pre-spray gets everything fine.
This stuff's just all coming right out. It's nothing.
Like there's tape on the carpet.
Yeah, I'll see that.
I didn't notice until the reflection.
Yeah, I saw that went over. It won't hurt it.
Okay, I'm going to pause here, and we'll resume in a few minutes. We may even just finish this room and go to the bedroom and show in there. Not a lot to see because the carpet looks really good. It's a great carpet. So stay tuned.